Hey guys, and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to add token to Phantom Wallet. So what we need to do is, first of all, head over to your Phantom Wallet. Once we are there, let's just say you don't have a token in here, so you can click on this manage token list and you're going to be searching in here for any token. So let's just type in here, maybe you're going to be searching for anything. If you want to maybe hide any of these existing one, you can simply turn this off and you will be able to see that it is no longer being shown up in here. If you want to add any other token, you can see we have this option, so we can search that in here using this search bar. Let's just say we have this troll coin going on and we want to add that. Click on more and we have this different options here. Basically, if you want to add it to your home screen, it is going to be showing that option here as well. So let's just basically go back, and all of these are basically some of the meme coins going up. So let's just go back and you can see we have soul scan. That is something we are not going to be using, but the point here is that you're going to be searching that particular coin and you're going to be adding that into this list, and you can do that using this manage, and you can turn that on, and once you do, it's going to be showing up in this main list. And similarly, you can add tokens using this particular option. And yeah, so that is basically pretty much it, and I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. So you can also buy it and choose to display it on your main screen. You can see we have all these filters going up in here. And yeah, so that's about it, guys. I hope this is going to be helping you guys, and see you guys in the next video.